Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with US Bank Digital Banking, full guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with US Bank Digital Banking, navigate to the US Bank website or open the US Bank app on your device. Look for the login button on the home page and click on it. If you're using the app, tap the login option directly from the home screen. Enter your US Bank username in the designated field. Once you've entered your username, click or tap on Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Carefully type in your password, ensuring that it is correct, as passwords are case sensitive. After entering your password, click or tap the login button. If you have enabled multi-factor authentication, you may receive a verification code sent to your registered phone number or email address. Check your phone or email for the verification code and enter it into the provided field. Click or tap Submit to complete the authentication process. Once logged in, you will have access to your account dashboard. If you encounter any issues, consider checking your network connection or verifying your login credentials. For security purposes, remember to log out after finishing your session, especially on shared devices. If you've forgotten your username or password, utilize the Forgot Username or Forgot Password links available on the login page. Following these steps will help you successfully authenticate your US Bank Digital Banking account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.